Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Prep Set Go.
Today we're looking at a flooring transformation in a stunning country home in Victoria. This home combines rustic charm with modern performance that will stand the test of time using RLA's X3 all-in-one timber flooring adhesive. This episode will walk you through the technical steps to achieve a floor that's not just beautiful, but built to last. Firstly, let's go through the surface prep. As we know, every great finish starts with a solid preparation. This concrete slab is clean and sound, but before any adhesive goes down, we check one thing first, and that is moisture. X3 can handle concrete substrates with up to 90% relative humidity, making it perfect for older or rural homes where moisture levels may be higher. The surface must be clean, dry, and free from any latents, oils, curing compounds, and general contaminants. If levelling is needed, RLA has a full range of compatible primers and levelers to get your base right. And now for the product that will bring everything together, RLA's X3 all-in-one timber flooring adhesive. This is a single-part SMP adhesive that acts as a high-strength adhesive, a vapour barrier, an acoustic underlay, and is an all-in-one easy-to-use formulation. It's solvent and isocyanate-free, low VOC and non-flammable, making it safe for installers and ideal for environmentally conscious builds. It also complies with Green Star IEQ 13 standards, supporting healthy indoor air quality. For the full 3-in-1 benefits, use a 6mm V-notch trowel, which will achieve a coverage of around 0.8 square metres per litre. If you're only using it as an adhesive, a 4 to 5mm V-notch will give you a greater coverage. Apply the adhesive at a consistent 45-degree angle. Press timber into the adhesive within 30 minutes and keep in mind, X3 begins to skin over around the 60-minute mark. The timber boards are then placed down firmly, ensuring full contact with the adhesive. With its flexible grab and high bond strength, X3 absorbs the natural expansion and contraction of timber, which is critical in seasonal climates. Remember to acclimatise your timber before install. For sanding and finishing, allow 3 to 7 days depending on ambient humidity and temperature. With the floor fully installed, the transformation speaks for itself. RLA X3 performs to the standards that matter. It's compliant with ISO 9239.1 for fire propagation and tested for acoustic performance as per ISO 10140-2. In other words, it meets the mark for both residential and commercial builds. Thanks for joining us again for another episode of Prep Set Go, and we hope to see you next time.